Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today I will show you how to install a halogen bulb in an ECCO 5800 series high-profile halogen rotating beacon. 6 months ago, I showed you how to replace a halogen bulb in an Ionic 400 series low-profile halogen rotating beacon. The reason I am demonstrating how to replace the bulb in a 5800 series high-profile is because I thought I'd do it for people that would like to see a replacement tutorial for a beacon they have rather than an iteration of a beacon they have. So I will note that the procedure for the 5800 high profile is the same as the Ionic 400 low profile because the Ionic is basically a rebadged ECCO 5800 series low profile. So the first thing to do is to loosen the lens locking screw at the side of the beacon. Now this is quite an old 5800, so I'm not sure if the current 5800, which looks exactly the same, has this feature. Because I've seen plenty of them on the road and I can't say I've ever seen one with the screw at the side. So if the current generation doesn't have this and you have one of them, then you just skip this step. Place the screw to the side. Then to remove the lens, it's the same as the Ionic, it's just a twist lock lens. There we go. Sounds like you may have broken it, but it's completely fine. It's just the ribbed edge here sliding along the plastic base, so that's completely fine. So there you can see the reflector assembly with the halogen bulb terminal. So take the bulb out of the packaging. This bulb is actually from a Halogen 700 that we have. I've just put it in its box just to show you what it will look like. So this is actually the packaging for this bulb. I just thought I'd have it complete for you. So next you'll need to remove the bulb clip here, exact same as the Ionic. So I should be able to just slide this out with my finger. It was a bit hard on the Ionic, but it looks like this is quite easy. Careful not to touch the reflector. It's quite hard actually. I thought it was easy to start off with. Ooh, it's quite hard. I don't like doing this, and I'll just do it gently. Can't even get it in. Oh, here's a smaller one. Can't get that in either. What can I use to... Just need to give a bit of force from that behind, and I can't get my finger in to do so. So the screw probably isn't the best, but it's small and I can get it in. So hopefully this goes well. Just bear with me. Oh. No. Okay, there we go. Oh, that was harder than the ionic from memory. Okay, so now I've got that taken off. I'll go ahead and install the halogen bulb. So to do that, exact same like the ionic, you need to fit this little metal plate here into the terminal in there. So you've got to be careful not to, you've got to get it in between the little metal arms and the flat plate there, but it'll most likely, like the ionic, be easy to get it under those arms and in the plastic. So I'll just go ahead and I've got, oh yeah, it's the same like the ionic. You've got to get this diagonal bit here lined up here, which is, yeah, like the same as the ionic. So I'll just turn it over this way. Got it in. Yeah. Try not to touch the filament. There we go. So then we just push that down into the reflector assembly and slide it in like so. Okay, so I'll just grab the bulb clip and slide that back on. Ah, this way, that's right. That's not going to work because I need it on the terminal, not just on the bulb. Sorry, 1 second. Can't see how I get it in because it's just hollow there. Hang on, I'll just have a look at the ionic. Done. Yeah. Just for reference, the ionic doesn't have the cutout here by the looks of it. Or at least I can't see it. Oh yeah, no it does. Sorry, forget that. Okay, so here's that as a reference. Yes, it does go in here. What, does it just, it doesn't just go over the bulb, does it? No, no. What was it on the floor? Okay. tell you, this would be 10 times easier without the reflector in the way, but I should be able to get it done. There we go. Sorry for that, it's a bit raw than some of my other bulb replacement tutorials, but I finally got it in. Okay, so we replace the lens. Yes, this lens. Swapping in the wrong spot. Then we replace the screw. Now this is just a card that came with it, just telling you how to remove the lens. So I will put it back on, but you don't have to. That's really only there for when it arrives, and then take it off when you hit the road. But I'll just put it back on. This one won't be on the road for a little while yet, so just put it back on so I don't lose it. It says do not over tighten, but it was already quite tight when it came, so yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so longer than my other videos, but that is how you replace a bulb in an ECCO 5800 series halogen rotating beacon in high profile form. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.